Alright, this is the reason why I'm gotta fix this fucking Jeep. 21,000 miles on this bitch. The exhaust sounds like shit. Gotta replace that. Let's go to the shop. Alright, there's the magnaflow exhaust. The tip looks nice. The rear muffler doesn't look bad at all. Alright, let's go all the way in the back here. Now you see why I'm gonna start cutting this bitch out. Magnaflow, what happened? Why this one's so crappy? Let's see. Well, it cracked all the way up here. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna replace it with. With this magnaflow glass pack. Don't feel like putting a muffler on or a straight pipe it. So basically I'm just gonna have it around this area. I'm gonna start chopping it right now. Alright, first time MIGging an exhaust system. I give it to the people who does this for a living. On top looks like shit, but down here it's not that bad. I give it to the muffler shops who does customize exhaust systems. And let's see how she sounds like. I'm gonna bring her down. Hopefully there's no air leaks. Or I should have just fucking straight piped it, but let's see how she sounds.